I'm Vanessa Yvonne Egertisa, 19, from the province of La Union. Our society is like a big jigsaw puzzle that can never really get solved until all the puzzle pieces are gathered together. The unsolved puzzle represents the issues and problems we are facing nowadays. And our only solution for it is to find these puzzle pieces. And one of these puzzle pieces are we, the youth. We must be kept and treasured in order to decipher the solution behind these problems. But what if people are trying to remove us from the picture? So, with regards to the issue, if kasaguliang kabataan should be reformed or abolished, my stand would be reformed. Why? Because first of all, I believe that it is the right of the youth to be heard. It represents the youth and it empowers them to speak out their concerns and issues regarding the public and civic matters. Additionally, it also serves as a breeding ground for future leaders because it introduces the young age to government service when it comes to public, local, and national levels. But despite of the flaws occur in SK, I believe that they are one of the most relevant youth participation in building a strong nation. Abolishment is not the answer for this. Yes, there's always a problem, but I believe that remedies are better than abolishing. So, in my case, I support the reformation side. So, from this reformation, I would like to propose that there should be an increase on the age bracket on SK. Instead of 15 to 17, why not adjust it on the age of 18 to 21? So, because I believe that at this age, it is the stage of maturity wherein critical thinking and decision occurs among the youth. And they also got more experience when it comes to management and leadership styles. Another is, SK should have fiscal autonomy in order to prevent high influential officials in manipulating or controlling the SK fund. And lastly, there should be an increase in when it comes to qualifications and standards on SK officials. So we can able to determine their ability, their sincerity, and willingness in taking such position. So in conclusion, SK should not be abolished because I believe that the voice of the youth is the call for a better change for tomorrow. And we, the youth, is the puzzle pieces that should be kept by our society. Thank you.